All right, Jersey Jaguar back at you with another jersey unboxing slash review, and it's one I've been wanting for a while. None other than the current Memphis Grizzlies Statement Edition Ja Morant jersey, guys. It's the Jordan Authentic. Is this one of the best statements, if not the best statement currently in NBA? You're about to find out right now. So it's time to go over the basics of this jersey, and then after that, we'll hop into the fine details of it. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. With that said, this is a 2023-2024 Memphis Grizzlies Ja Morant Statement Edition jersey. Now, guys, statement is what the teams currently call their alternate uniforms. It is a Nike / Jordan. In this case, it is Jordan, being that Jordan does supply the NBA technically with their Statement Edition jerseys. Guys, everything's the exact same on it, except this one has a Jordan logo and all the other jerseys are going to have a Nike logo. So this is going to be the authentic version and not the swingman. It's going to be a men's 48, which is a size large. As you can see, we got some nice colors here. We're going to have a main color of light blue. We're going to have the customization and some of the trim with navy blue. We're also going to have some yellow. Now, guys, this looks like a true yellow and not gold. And to finish it off, we are going to have some gray here and there. All right, so let's go over the fine details of this jersey. Starting with the material, it is going to be labeled as dry fit advanced material. And at the back on the corner, you can see that labeled. Now, guys, the material of the jersey for the majority of the front from about here down in the center is going to be that smooth dry fit advanced material. Then on the top, the whole back, and on the sides, it is going to be a vapor knit NBA material. Let's go over the customization of this jersey. The customization for Grizzlies, and then obviously the 12 on the front, 12 on the back, and the name. It's going to be single layer tackle twill from what you think, but in reality, it does have a thin layer of gray tackle twill going on there. It is really nicely stitched. It almost gives a chain stitch effect. However, it isn't. All right, guys, on the back of the jersey, again, you'll see Morant on the bottom of the 12, so that's really cool. And then the numbers stay true to the rest of the NBA, and they are perforated. Now, above Grizzlies, we are going to have Memphis in yellow, and again, it is yellow, not gold, pressed onto the jersey, not sewn in. And then on the trim of the jersey, the side trim on the arms is going to be blue, just like the rest of it, or light blue, I should say. And then on the neck, we're going to have that old school Vancouver Grizzlies style print outlined in yellow. Now, guys, the print's going to be navy and gray. Now, it's going to be very similar to how they wore it back in Vancouver, but slightly different color and slightly different pattern. And then on the side, this is going to be very silky material, and it is going to be that same pattern again. Now, in terms of the tagging, we're going to have these standard neck tags that is pressed onto the jersey, not sewn in. We're going to have a Jordan logo that is embroidered directly into the jersey, not pressed, and it's not a patch, it's directly embroidered. And guys, standard jock tags as well as standard wash tag. Finally, flipping it around, one thing that is cool about the Nike Authentics I love is the angular cut that it does have on the back. Now, for the NBA logo, it's going to be standard NBA logo that is pressed on, not sewn on. You don't see that gold box with a number in there because Memphis did not win any championships. Therefore, they don't have that patch like some of the other teams do. So it's time for the measurements part of the video. Now, guys, I'll be reading these off in inches. And again, this is a men's size 48, which is a large in Nike / Jordan. All right, starting with the pit to pit, body, and the waist, it's going to be 22¼ inches wide. There is no taper on it. Now, top to bottom, we are going to have 32 inches. And this little shoulder strap right here, we are going to have 3½ inches across, which is pretty much standard across most of the sizes on these jerseys. All right, so it's time to show you how this jersey fits. For myself, I'm a little over 6'2" and 185 pounds. This jersey is, again, a men's size 48, which in Nike / Jordan is going to be a large. All right, so let's get to the business. Is this the best overall statement in the league? You know what, guys? I'm gonna have to put this towards the top of the list. I'm going to have a future video ranking each of the Statement Edition jerseys, either by myself or with a special guest or two. You're gonna see that coming out in the future. But with that said, I'm definitely gonna put these in the top 3, if not on the top. There's so much going on with this jersey that I love. I love the color first and foremost. It's really unique and it stands out from the rest of the league. Also, I love the B-symmetrical approach that they have to the jersey, meaning that it's not exactly the same on both sides. First, we got that awesome design on the neck, and then we're going to also have that same design on only one side of the jersey and not on the arms. So I think that's really cool. The watermark looks awesome. The number font looks awesome. Really, really well put together jersey. I love the contrast. I love the brightness. This jersey is loud and it is a great fit for Memphis. What I really like, how it is a new style jersey. However, they do pull from the team's history going back to those Vancouver days. Well done with this jersey.